On March 15, the complete cocoa processing production line project of Gelgoog in Cameroon passed the acceptance smoothly. The project adopts a batch production mode, which is tailored for small and medium-sized enterprise customers, and provides efficient and economical cocoa deep processing solutions. The person in charge and technical team of the cooperative company visited the site and inspected the whole process, including stone removal, gold inspection, baking, half peeling, sauce grinding, boil pressing, coarse crushing, powder grinding, filling, and highly praised the professional service and equipment operation of the Gelgoog delivery team. At the acceptance site, the Gelgoog team also conducted training on production line operation, maintenance for the customer's technical team. In the field of cocoa processing, Gelgoog has a rich product portfolio and project experience. It not only provides customers with solutions such as factory planning, production line design, equipment customization, but also provides customers with complete cocoa processing technology, installation, delivery and technical training, helping customers' technical teams to quickly and professionally invest in large-scale production, quickly recover investment and achieve greater commercial value.